So anyway, we just got home yesterday, and today I told Honey Baby I was taking a sick day because I ain't feeling good. But I did want to show y'all a couple things. Say hi, Honey Baby. I'm talking to these YouTubers here. I got the Jeep out last night. I didn't crank it. I just got it out of the garage so I could get the truck out of the garage so I could jump off Honey Baby's vehicle. But because I hadn't been feeling that good, I'd sort of decided I wouldn't work on it today. But I need to get it started on a nice day like today, because pretty soon it's going to snow. When it snows, I'm not going to want to be out here playing around with it. But while I was gone, I happened up upon a whole new thing here. I knew somebody that bought this vehicle right here in front of you, this Jeep. And it had been sitting in a barn for about 20 years, and it was cherry. It was like brand new. It didn't have a speck of rust on it. Really low mileage. The couple that owned it had passed away, and the person I knew bought it really got a great deal on it. Well, they weren't the kind of folks that took real good care of cars and all, so I doubt if it ever got much maintenance. And it's got a big rusty area all up under here. The deal they gave me on it, though, they took it down to get it inspected, and the guy put a new battery in it, and he said, well, it's not going to take a sticker. And then they called me and said, you pay for what we spent on that battery, and we'll give it to you. So I paid $120 for the battery and got the rest of it free. And actually, if you look down under here, if you see that frame there, the frame looks a lot better than the one I've been patching up every year that belongs to my buddy. And my neighbor brought this home for me while I was gone. It's got, if that's right, 116,000 miles on it, which ain't much. And they told me that something was wrong with the idle on it, didn't run good, but got a new battery in it. My neighbor just drove it over, so I just thought, well, I'll try it out. He said it cranks up and runs. He said it runs funny, but it runs. I guess that part where it runs funny is probably whatever they were talking about. They said something about it didn't idle right. But let's go try it out. Let's go see. It's got some decent tires on the front. One's on the back. They're nice inspection. Them wheels would probably fit my Jeep. So climb in here and some kind of clampy thing. I wonder if I could clamp my phone in that. Man, that'd be kind of weird. But well, he's got long legs. My neighbor does. The seats all the way in the back county here. Let's see if I can figure out how to move these seats up somewhat. Usually there's a thing here somewhere. Is it right there? Okay, push it. There you go. Okay, now I can touch the pedals. See if it'll crack. That's not too bad. Well, I see it don't idle. That's what it is. I think they said it didn't idle. Brakes feel good. Let me turn this camera around. Heck, this don't feel bad. I thought about putting a plow on this one, because it might have heat. I wonder if the air conditioning works. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Well, it goes pretty good. Change gears. Wonder how you turn the four-wheel drive on and off on it. I'd say I believe I got my $120 worth on it. So I've got power windows and everything. Oil pressure's good. If that works, it don't feel too bad. Woohoo! Now let's stop here while we're on hard ground, because this thing got some kind of two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Let's try that. So maybe I have to put it in neutral. Maybe I have to put it in park. I bet somebody out there knows. Is that four-wheel drive, you reckon? Says, what does that say? Mark. I got my glasses with me. It says low washer and maintenance. Oh, needs some maintenance. I got a little switch here. I don't know what it does. When does it work? Window works. Third signals. I wonder if that heater gauge, temperature gauge is good, because if it is, it looks like it's warming up. Looks like I got voltage. Looks like I got plenty of oil pressure. I think it's in four-wheel drive. I don't know how to test it except go try to get it stuck. I probably don't want to do that, but it feels like four-wheel drive. You know how the front wheels chew? Like when you got like my Jeep, because the front wheels work the way they do, you can feel them chewing when they turn, because the wheels don't spin free. I don't know if that makes sense to y'all or not. Let's see if I can get this back out of four-wheel drive. Did that do the trick? Oh, all important. See if the radio works. Power, AM, FM. Got a cassette player in there. Okay. Let's see now. Let's go with max air condition. Well, it's cold. I don't know if it's cold because it's cold outside or if it's cold because the air conditioner works good. Actually, the interior in this thing's pretty decent. I mean, those door panels look good. The roof is falling down back there. That ain't no big deal, but all in all, that looks pretty good. Let's turn that off. This is, I'm guessing this is, well, let's see, that would be heat. We'll get some heat in here. Put the temperature on that side. 116,000 is not much. I mean, even on a Jeep. 116,000. I bet it won't idle. Yeah, it won't idle. That's the deal, it won't idle. It seemed like that wouldn't be a hard fix. That almost feels like that was just it'd be an idle switch. I was gonna get out and check the lights, but I don't think I will until I figure that out. I don't know what this is right here, but it looks like one of them space cameras. It takes it. I might be being viewed by aliens right now. I bet I am. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Hard time, low speed, four-wheel drive. That's what that 4L stands for. Maximum pulling power. Okay, that was very helpful. What's in the dash? Oh, there's a spoon in the dash. Everybody ought to have a spoon. I'm guessing this is some kind of little gizmo to put your phone on. And yeah, you could clamp your phone right in there. good in here. I'm just gonna let it go dead. Alright. Ain't nothing in there, but they got the box there. Let's get out. I'm just gonna, seems like it's got plenty of battery. I'm just gonna put the lights on. Let's see. Headlights on. We got headlights. I don't know what this switch is for. I don't know. Little bullet holes in the side, they ain't gonna hurt nothing. Roof rack. Spare tire. Spare tire got all kind of tread on it. I think this thing's in better shape than the one that I keep patching up from my buddy. So this side ain't all rusted out like that other side. I mean, it's got some rust, but it's it's too bad. Oh dang, I have to take it back. Got a dent in it. Dang. Y'all pardon me snorting and snuffling here. I do have cold. But yeah, doggone, you know, it'd be easier to fix that than it would to fix my buddy's Jeep that I keep fixing every time he comes around. So heck far. See, it ain't even rusted like his is all rusted all up in here and everything. This one ain't bad. That way. That's just a... Oh, this has been patched before. Okay. So that's one of them kind of patches that I do. And then non-professional homemade patch jobs that somebody did. So that's been patched up. Still ain't bad. I'd say for what I got in it, I got a new battery plus a decent vehicle there. I can decide. Mark was talking about I could sell it, or some kid would love to have it to make a 4x4 out of, but I might just keep that for myself. RPM gauge in it, that's helpful. Have to hit the brake to shift it. I think this is okay. I think I'm okay with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but park it in the back with the rest of my collection. It might do to, who knows? Mark was talking about making a yard vehicle out of it or something. Ain't bad. Ain't too bad at all. Take my glasses off here. Guess I could drive it out in the mud, see if I can get it stuck, and see if I can get it unstuck, but that seems unnecessary because if I could get it unstuck, it would put me in a position of having to get out here with the cold I got. Well, first I'd have to get the Jeep running so I'd have something to pull it out with. Now, that's another thing. If this thing runs good and the Jeep's not running that great, I bet I could rig a snowplow on it. Oh, that's another option. I like options. I like to have a lot of options. Another thought I had, it had crossed my mind, I could drive this thing down to Georgia. I know a lot of people down there liking them old four-wheel drive vehicles and stuff, you know. So Not that I need another vehicle in Georgia, but like I say, not to have options. Windshield squirter works, see? Not bad. So, I wonder if I could drive it uptown and back without getting arrested. I ain't got my license on me. I did see a deputy sitting up there this morning, but I'm guessing. I know the person I bought this from was running it like their daily driver before it got into my possession. So I'm just gonna guess that it's probably okay.